What's up, guys? The ending to that video, though, right? All right. So here's why I didn't show you guys. So the battery was completely dead. So I had to recharge this all overnight because it was completely dead. It's my jump starter. Thanks to my cousin, he got me that for my birthday. Anyways, that's hooked up. Let's see if this thing will start. Moment of truth. It runs, and it runs good actually. So loud. Alright, so now it's up to temp. You can kind of see right there. It's been running great. Just let it sit idling here and running. Everything runs good, smooth, no leaks or nothing. So now I'm gonna. Alright, hang it. Alright. So now I'm going to double check the oil, put that piece back because it's here, put all this together, adjust it, put the air box back on, get that all done, new filter and everything, and clean it up a little bit. Man, she's ready to get back on her wheels. Gentlemen, holy moly cannoli, this thing is finally done on its own shoes, you could say. Engine is done, everything's put back together. Get a little spit shine in here, not with spit, but you know, shined it up. Looks great, looks clean. So now gotta get her loaded up and onto the trailer. Time to send her home. You will be missed. Didn't enjoy it as much as I should have, but you will definitely be missed. Well, definitely bittersweet. I'm in the car now. I figured let's take it around the block one last time. Just the one last time. Let's do this. It definitely rides and shifts so smooth. Well, that's it. I'll have some more video of her when I deliver it. So now I just gotta load up the original wheels that are going to him as well in the truck, load up my tools, load up the car in the trailer, and that's about it. I mean, she's going home, guys. She's going home. This gentleman is a car nut. He loves cars. He loves classics. He collects them. He actually just got another car that he told me about that super nice. I'm not gonna share it here because it's none of my business, but let's just say it's something I'd love to own one day, and when I do, I'll remind you guys for sure. But yeah, he's a cool guy. He takes care of his cars. He loves his cars, that's for sure. So I'm very happy this car is going to him. I didn't get everything done on that list I was supposed to, obviously, but because I didn't have time. And like one of the things was the fuel leak in the back, right there on the passenger side. He's gonna get that taken care of. He already has an appointment for that, so it's cool. It's good to know that he's gonna take care of it. So other than that, man, let's get this thing loaded, and I'll make a little video of the trip, and we'll kind of just go from there. And got another little surprise for you guys at the end of this video, but maybe it might be another video. I don't know. We'll see. You're just gonna have to subscribe, watch, and follow to find out. All right, hour later, it is loaded. It's on the trailer. Bittersweet moment here. She's going home. Well, sort of. All right, let's get the show on the road. The new owner taking on his first drive. The car is gone, sold. The new owner right there. He's very happy. Car's at his house. Very nice car. Final walk around. A nice car, but it is now in good hands. He's going to take care of it. He's going to finish whatever else it needs, and that's it. So goodbye, Mercedes. It's been fun, but you are now in the hands of somebody that can take care of you. Enjoy the car.
Thank you very much,
and hopefully we'll see it again on this channel. All right, guys, see ya. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching this series of videos on that Mercedes. Thank you for the support for that car. It was a cool car for sure. I didn't get to enjoy it and drive it as much as I could have and should have. But this guy Alex, he's going to love it. He's going to enjoy it. He's going to take care of it. He's going to spend more of his time with it than I had. And maybe we'll see it again on the channel. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But thank you for watching. And subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. See you on the next one.